Hey guys, I had some requests to take a tour of my mixing area. Not that it's anything special, but I thought I would go ahead and do that. Um, this is it over here. And we have a line of facial products also that I make. So part of it, this side, is for the facial products, and this side is over for developing the new colors. Um, as you can see, I put in a vent hood, so that's something that you'll need to do, or use a well ventilated area or room, because the fumes will get you after a while. After several hours of mixing, you're kind of loopy. So, and as we go around the corner, there is the photo staging area, which I haven't quite perfected. I had it in a different area before, and this one's given me a lot of trouble. So I'm still working on the lighting. So anyway, over here is the cabinet that I store all the big stuff in, and all the facial product stuff in, all the ingredients. And as you go around the corner, you can see the sink, mirror, and whatnot. So anyway, and then we go around here, and we just have a printer and another computer, and some old advertising posters and stuff that we have that I keep. We used to own a vapor shop also. So then there's Amy Winehouse, of course. Anyway, so these are some of the bottles that I use, and there's all the extra polishes, leftovers, whatnot. Here is lots of things that I use to develop the new colors. These are colors from tonight that will be coming out soon. Sorry about the wobbly camera. And then there's their bottles right there. Anyway, those are all some up there that are still in the process. And as you can see, I like to keep everything over here organized. So part of everything on your list that you're going to need is right in here. From the spoons, to the stir sticks, to the rubber gloves, whatnot, that's all kept right here. So I don't recommend putting a TV in, because I spend a lot of time, wasted time binge watching while I'm making stuff. So anyway, that's the whole thing. So anyway, if you have any questions about anything else in here, let me know, and I will move on and do the rest of this tutorial. Thanks.